Welcome to the Blending with Henry show. Before we get started, I'd like to say thank you to all you guys for helping to get Blending with Henry to 18,000 subscribers. Right on! I love you guys. Now, if you guys would like to be notified of new videos, please press the bell icon after you press the subscribe button. This will send you YouTube alerts. Now, let's get blending with Henry. A blast from the past. Now, I've shown you guys the Vitamix Perfect Blend Scale before, but it's got some new features. Let me show you. It got a major software upgrade that now connects perfectly with the Vitamix Ascent machines. Recipe and feature categories appear, allowing you to now see the blend cycles, and it automatically runs the Vitamix. Now, this can also be helpful when you want to create your own recipes and understanding when to increase or decrease speeds in manual mode. Another new feature is it allows you to select the proper self-detect container, such as the 8-ounce self-detect bowl. Now, a list of features and descriptives appear about it on the right side of the screen, including where to place it in the dishwasher. One of the perfect blend recipes shown in this video is the chocolate blueberry smoothie. Amazingly healthy, amazingly tasty. It's simply amazing. Now, while this recipe is amazing, I still had to make some adjustments and additions to suit my palate. Now, I like how you can save your recipe edits for future blends. Now, to get started, you just choose your recipe and press blend. Now, it's telling me to sit my 48-ounce container onto the scale. It's intuitive enough to know that there are two 48-ounce containers available, wet and dry. I'm choosing the wet blade. Now the recipe is asking me to put in 8.63 fluid ounces of unsweetened almond milk. The great thing about the Perfect Blend Scale, you guys, is you don't have to measure anything. You can't possibly do this wrong, okay? Now, as you get close to the top, I do recommend that you slow down so you don't overfill. The next ingredient was my own addition because it wasn't quite sweet enough. I'm using a heaping tablespoon of pure maple syrup. Now, if you guys haven't noticed yet, the recipe ingredients are color-coded for each individual ingredient. I think it's a pretty fun feature. Next are the chia seeds. I made an adjustment. Now, for my liking, I reduced the amount that was in the original recipe. Since it's a small amount, the scale measure will increase rapidly, so be cautious when adding small amounts. Ah, the chocolate! Where have you been all my life? So I'm adding a heaping tablespoon of cocoa powder. And once again, you guys, don't bother pre-measuring anything. Just dip it right out of the can. You're going to be fine. This is too easy. Now, don't tell your kids about this, you guys. It'll be our little secret, okay? Go ahead and add about 1.5 cups of fresh spinach. They won't know it's in there. The Vitamix blends so well, you can sneak your greens into your family smoothies. Now, don't be shocked if they keep asking you to make more of these. Now, your family gets a great tasting smoothie filled with nutrients and fiber. It's a win-win situation. Oh, one more. Come on, come on. There we go. The next ingredient is 3.17 ounces of a banana. Now, who knows what that is? No, no worries. The Perfect Blend Scale will figure it out for you. Now, I'm putting in slices of a banana so I can control the amounts. Oops, sorry, I need a little bit more. Give me a second, you guys. There we go. Next is 3.17 ounces of frozen blueberries. They're very simple, you guys. Just pour them right in. And lastly, 4.23 ounces of ice. Now you guys, I always recommend you use smaller ice cubes. You can buy a big bag from your grocery store. You'll get a much more consistent blend this way. Now you guys, ice can be a little bit tricky because different size ice cubes. So try to be real cautious when you get close to the end. Now we're ready to blend. So I'm placing the container onto the Vitamix. Now let's get started. Now it's telling me to use the Smoothie Cycle. Okay, I'm going to snap my lid in place, and I'm touching the Smoothie Cycle. It's set for 40 seconds. Looks great, you guys. Let's pour it up. Now, on this screen, it's going to track the measurement of smoothie I'm pouring in the glass. But first, it's asking me to put my glass onto the scale. Alright, let's pour it up. Just as the Perfect Blend Scale measures the ingredients before blending, it's now tracking the calories against the amount of fluid ounces being poured in the glass. Now this can be very helpful if you're watching your caloric intake. We made it around 200 calories. Now, if you want to check out the nutrition facts, press the plus icon. Now I made some adjustments. I added a little and took a little away and still ended up with the same nutrition facts as the original recipe. And now I'm adding a festive colored straw to complete our artisan creation. And there you go. The chocolate blueberry smoothie. It's healthy, but don't tell anyone. Just drink, drink, drink and be merry. You've got to try it. The Perfect Blend software runs on your Apple iPhone, iPad, as well as on Android. And you can download it for free from the App Store. Oh, and one more thing, you guys. The Vitamix Perfect Blend Scale suddenly became more affordable. So grab one of these right away. Alright, you guys, thanks for hanging out. And if you like this video, please press the like button. And please subscribe for future video updates. And you can order the Vitamix Perfect Blend Scale and other Vitamix products by clicking the links below. And I will see you all next time.